Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 10 minutes to 9 o'clock and I am editing a video at the moment and the weather is nice today. I hope there will be no rain so that we can go somewhere later. This is going to be my breakfast. A hot dog. I cut it in a different shape, different design. And this left 3 pieces I'm going to put in freezer. My freezer is not really organized. Oh, this is the bread that I bought in Costco. Just now I put. This one is best before yesterday, but just now I put. It's okay. Yeah, it tastes like a pandesal except that it doesn't have breadcrumbs. I'm also going to fry an egg. It is already 2 o'clock. I already sleep. Maybe I was sleeping for 2 hours or 1 hour. Also, I did my laundry. It's outside. And while sleeping, I thought my video is uploading. But when I check, it is actually not uploading. Anyway, I'm going now to prepare my lunch. And it is going to be this spaghetti, that leftover spaghetti. Gonna add a little water and then this last spaghetti sauce, bolognese sauce, Filipino style. Outside this is still good. Yeah, there are some clouds. Sometimes it is covering the sun and it's become a little dark, but yeah, no rain hopefully. We are going out later and I like eating this spaghetti Filipino style, always with bread. And ready. Some of the clothes that I washed today is still not dry, except this uniform. Oh, even this is still not dry. Can't feel it. Okay, I'm going to put it back. No, I'll just leave it here. That will be okay. Tomorrow will be dry. And I also made this one. This is going to be like a pattern for my table inside the car. Maybe tomorrow we are going to Bunnings warehouse. I'm going to buy some plywood. And I will also ask if they are able to cut the plywood based on this pattern. Yeah, that is if Inigo will let me drive tomorrow. It is now already 5:07, and I am actually thinking of going out just to bike around. I'm still not allowed to drive this car. That's why we're just going to bike around. I'm very excited to drive this car. This is how it is at the moment. Too deep in love and we got no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for somehow we are able to get that kind of sunset. Very small parts of the sunset. Yeah, nice, very bright, very orange. Islands and the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world, and we rely on each other. From one lover to another. What's gonna happen, and we got no doubt. Too deep in love and we got no way out, and the message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing. No more will you cry. Oh, you can see that orange thing on that car. They use that for off-roading. If the car, I think, is stuck on the road or on the mud, that one will help to get off that mud. I am not really sure, that's just what I think. You're right there for me. we are now here in the little beach, and this is how very quiet it is in here. You hear the sound of the birds, also the wind blows. Yeah, very relaxing. And there is two guys over there. Yeah, and there are some group of family and friends over there, and also some people fishing. It is too dark now to drive here. Yeah, we are going home. Oh, the field has a light today. Maybe something is happening. Oh yeah, there are some people, they are practicing football or maybe rugby. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark. Darling, you look perfect tonight. And we are now here in the grocery. Oh, look at that, there is one cockroach. Yeah, we're going inside. We're going to buy something. I don't know yet. I'm going to take one of these. $5. This salted caramel ice cream. Okay, we go home. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is actually raining outside. And I'm going to prepare my meal now. Already had a cup of coffee, already ate a bread, but now I am cravings for rice. And they actually still have this. This is the whole roasted chicken. Yeah, this maybe 4 days ago. Yeah, 4 days ago. Okay, that's it. The rain doesn't stop. Yeah, it is not a heavy rain, but yeah, it has been raining since the morning. Yeah, it is now already 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2:25. I was sleeping. Okay, at least let's go to the car. Yeah, I will show you the interior of the car. How to open this? Yeah, this is a mirror. You can see myself. One of the advanced features is the headlight. When we are in the dark, the headlight goes light very bright by itself. And when the car is coming, it switches off by itself. 90 kilometers is my limit for the let's try. So if you press this limit, it is going to show there the those limit that you want. You just press it again. So if you press the limit, it will show you that one, and then press this button, and you will see that the now it's 36 kilometers per hour, 45, 55, 60, 65, 70, 80, 90, 90. So that's my limit. But yeah, so and then this chimney has a sensor. Let me show you. So inside here there are some sensor like a camera thing, that if they detect something like a car, and it is going to do some kind of automatic braking, yeah, to avoid the accident. I am not really sure, but that's basically what I've seen in YouTube, and I've seen in description. And the car seat doesn't really have option to go up, and the space that you are seeing, this is actually the most that this seat can be put back.